Assalamu alaikum everyone. So here I wanted to say you all many congratulations for being officially graduated out of Amal Fellowship Program, and finally the day has arrived and we can see you all being Amal Fellows to like Amal alumni, and wish you all very best of luck for the future. I'm so glad and like grateful to the Almighty that we got this opportunity to meet each other over the course of 3 months of the fellowship, because I believe we were not just able to learn some new things and develop some new skills. We were able to get to know some beautiful faces, some beautiful souls who are equally passionate about their career, and who are not just loving and caring, they are supportive, and they have become a part of our Amal family. And I hope so we all will stay connected and will be available for each other wherever and whenever we need. With that, I wanted to like share a message for you all, and that is like you should never compromise on your dreams. Instead, you can compromise for your dreams. So things can come in your way, and if you believe it is something that is supporting you to work on your dream, pick that thing. And if something is getting you away from working on your dream, you should be avoiding that thing in your life, because I believe dream is something that is keeping us alive, keeping us passionate, keeping us energetic for the future. And this is something we very much need in today's world: the optimism, the positivity, the energy, the spark that we have, and that is going to be very much helpful for us to do wonders in the life that we have ahead.
Assalamualaikum. I really hope that all of you are doing good and enjoying best of your health. The purpose of making this video is that I just wanted to congratulate you guys for being successfully graduated from this fellowship. Many congratulations, guys. And I just wanted to share some of my heartiest feelings. I just want to say that I am truly blessed to have you guys as my fellows. Why? Because I have seen you guys grown to the maximum pace. I have seen you guys put in the maximum hard work that you can, and I have seen that how much passionate you people are to make a difference. So this was an amazing journey, and it's not only that you guys have grown so much by learning from us, it's like we have learned so much from you guys as well. So thank you so much for all the learnings, thank you so much for this beautiful journey, and I just want to wish you all the luck. And I just want to say that congratulations once again. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum, beloved fellows. I am Abbas. Many of you might remember me as your cluster manager. I managed batches 158 all the way up to 162. As you graduate today, I want to share the name of our cluster and the thought behind that with you. It was Khoobsirat. This word is not a statement of what is, it's an aspiration of what can be. Today, as you graduate, always try to have better intentions for the work that you approach, for the people that you work with, for everything and everyone that you share your life with. There are certain times when we might have presumptions about these experiences. I want you to approach everything with an open mindset and with beautiful and good intentions. Secondly, as you graduate, I'm pretty sure and I've already seen that you're expressing a lot of gratitude and humility to your team members and to many members of the Amal team as well. I want you to remember that it's not just them, it's also in big part your own hard work and dedication that has enabled you to be where you are today. So never forget that there were people who applied who did not get selected. There were people who got selected and they could not start. There were people who started and they could not even graduate. You are here and you are who you are because of all of the hard work and dedication that you put into your fellowship. There are people who want to have beautiful things, and then there are people who do something about it. You are those people. Best of luck with the rest of this beautiful journey. Keep on supporting each other in your future and keep sharing your updates with your fellowship team members. Keep on shining like the stars that you are.
Okay, so fellows, now the most awaited part of graduation ceremony is here, and Drum rolls please. What we are going to do is we are going to announce the gold medalist for batch 162, and the gold medal goes to, any guesses? Yes, Afanul N. Congratulations Afan, very well deserved. Moving on, we have category of best mega project, and the best mega project award goes to Afanul N, Bakhtawar Sarwar, Hafsa Zubair, Minahil Azhar and Numan Ehsan for Planetify. Good job guys. Moving on from best mega project, we have the people who have graduated with highest honors, and in this list the fellows are Altamash Said, Bakhtawar Sarwar, Hafiz Shaf Ali, Hafsa Qamar, Ismail Shah, Numan Ehsan, Rumaisa Irfan, Sabina Muhammad Deen, Samir Islam, Umar bin Khalil, Yusuf Siddiq, Zuhaib Ahmed, Zunash Khan, and the people who have graduated with honors, and in this list fellows are Anam Khan, Aisha Khan, Farhan Akhtar, Ghulam Murtaza, Hafsa Bibi, Hafsa Zubair, Hira Nisar, Iram Zafar, Maryam Bibi, Minahil Azhar, Muazzam Shehzad, Suleiman Daud, Muhammad Abu Bakr, Muhammad Misam, Shehroz Hassan, Namra Khalid, Sumaya Zafar, Sayyid Huzaifa Nadeem, Sayyid Salman Badshah, Tahreem Rauf, Tehseen Zahra, Usman Ali, Uzma Rani, and after honors we have people who have graduated from this fellowship successfully, and they are Huma Kazmi and Saira Yasin. So this was it, batch 162. Congratulations and good luck for your future guys.